Hello, coin collectors and stackers. Today we're going to be doing what I'm going to call a retro unboxing. We're going to be retro unboxing an American Eagle 20th anniversary silver coin set from 2006. This set caught my eye at my local coin shop. A gentleman came in and just unloaded a pile of silver eagles. He had almost everything in there, including several sets like this, some proof and reverse proof sets, and some other cool things. But this set really caught my eye, and I brought it home with me. And after I got it home, I started doing a little research on it. I'm not a big collector of silver eagles. I certainly have several, and tubes of them for stacking. But as far as the collectability numismatically, these, I haven't really gotten into them. But I got into it more after I did some research. So before I get into why, let's just get this sucker unboxed. And let's just dig right into the packaging itself. And the gentleman took nice care of his stuff, still even got this original wrapper in it. And I want to just, before I open that up, let's look at this certificate of authenticity, and we're going to kind of focus on the last line here. The reverse proof coin carries the P Mint mark indicating its production at the United States Mint at Philadelphia. As we know, traditionally, the Philadelphia Mint on most coins, there is no P Mint mark. There's no mint mark at all. That's how we know it's a Philly coin. Well, in this particular case, this one does carry a mint mark, and it's very, very special. And then you can see this is showing its age a little bit on the box, but still I don't mind because the coins themselves are pristine. There's our proof. There is the reverse proof, which we're going to focus on here. And here's the unburnished, uncirculated W. So these two are both W. This one's the Philly. And let's go ahead and bust this Philly out and talk about it. So the American Silver Eagle first came into being in 1986. On the 10th anniversary, there was a proof, a W proof, that is a key date in the series. It's considered to be a key date in the series. And that was the first proof. This is the first reverse proof of not just a Silver Eagle, but of any U.S. coin. Reverse proofs had been issued in other parts of the world. Other mints had done it, but this was the first time the United States Mint decided to tackle a reverse proof. And this proof was sold exclusively as part of this 3-coin set. So in other words, in order to get this special coin, you had to buy the whole set. The unburnished W coin here was sold separately and was also included in the American Eagle 20th Anniversary gold and silver set. But when collectors heard about this coin, their enthusiasm was predictably high, and the set sold out within minutes. And it reminds me a lot of the recent stuff we've seen with the flowing hair metal and dollar, how quickly those sold out. Although this one probably more is closer to the gold, the dollar. The silver metal took about 24 hours or so. Of course, we all know the gold dollar was gone in less than 5 minutes. And when this came out, the issue price was initially $100 for the set. It was so popular, sold out in a couple minutes, as I mentioned. And within a year, these were selling on eBay for around $600. Now, it's not so frothy these days. The prices have come down. You can pick them up for anywhere from $175 to $225 now. I picked this one up here for $195 at my local coin shop. And folks that collected the Silver Eagle series saw this as a particularly important release, and they saw this as their opportunity to get their hands on a very important coin in the series, particularly those people that missed out on the 10th anniversary American Silver Eagle proof set with that key date 1995 W American Silver Eagle proof in there, and they didn't want to miss out on the opportunity to pick this one up, so they rushed out to get it. This proof is beautiful, and again, the first U.S. coin to be a reverse proof, but it's never going to compete with the 1995 W because the mintage of this coin was far higher. To date, it's estimated about a third of these coins from this set here, and this particularly the reverse proof, have been certified. And based upon population reports and other things, about 22% of the coins that came from these reverse proof coins are certifying as MS70. The rest are somewhere below MS70. On average, leading services see about 800 of these a year being submitted or so. And so these raw coins, are drying up as time goes on, as they're being submitted to the services. So this is a short video. I'm going to wrap it up right here, but I thought it would be fun to do a retro unboxing of what I consider to be a pretty important set, particularly because of this Philadelphia reverse proof and the popularity of reverse proofs since 2006 when this came out. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, happy collecting.